Today I'm going to be making baleadas, a popular dish in Honduras. Although it's widely believed that it originated in the north coast of Honduras, the origin story of baleadas is disputed among Hondurans. One old wives' tale suggests that there was a popular street vendor who sold these, and one day she was gunned down. She lived, but from that day on, people began calling them baleadas from the Spanish word balas, meaning bullets. Honduran cuisine has a mixture of Spanish, Caribbean, African, and Mesoamerican influences. A staple in many Honduran dishes are tortillas, which date as far back as 10,000 BC, and were very popular in Mayan and Aztec culture. When the Spanish arrived, they gave this bread its current name, tortilla, from the Spanish word meaning little cake. Fun fact, when Gordon Ramsay visited Honduras in 2017, he stated that baleadas are the best Latin American dish, and I can't say that I disagree.